Alright, so today I'm gonna be installing this EUFY camera to my existing doorbell, so it should be pretty straightforward. These are the wires that you're gonna attach to the back of it. The wires go here, connected to your existing door wires, so the sound can come through your existing doorbell. So that's what I'm gonna do. It have two options. You can do the battery option, or you can do the wire option. So I'm just gonna do the wire option, so it always have power going to it. And then yeah, let's see how it goes. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead, remove this buzzer right here, and then connect the EUFY to it, and then place it on the wall, place it here, and then we take it from there. Yeah, mine is gonna be a little bit tricky because one of my wires there is a little bit short, so I'm just gonna figure out that, but then after that it should be pretty straightforward. So yeah. Alright, so my next wire was a little bit short, so I just use the pliers to pull it out a bit to get some leverage on there, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna attach this to it and twine it up a bit, and then so just gonna attach this to it. It's not professionally done, but attach that to it, and then just use that to secure it a bit. Yeah, and then put that one in there. Then I'm just gonna cut this one a bit. Let me test it and see. So it's working. So now I'm just gonna cut this one a bit to attach the next wire like this one to this one, and then I take it from there. So this one I'm just gonna attach it. So it's gonna be like that. So now just gonna have to put this in place, screw that in place, then attach this to this, and then yeah, that should pretty much be it. So the EUFY also come with this tool for when you secure this bracket onto the wall, and then you have this on there. Whenever you want to take this off, if you're gonna use battery, you'd have to use this tool, push it all the way down, put it the way down. It have a particular place it need to go to, and then that would release it. That would release it. So yeah, whenever you put this bracket to the wall, then you attach this, this would release it. Alright, so now I'm gonna connect the wire to these and then test it out to see. and secure. So it's connected to this. Now I'm gonna install it to the wall. Okay, so it's pretty much straightforward. After you do all your connections and stuff like that, you're gonna download the app and pretty much link it together, and then you'll have access to it right away. It actually have two parts. This is the part where if they put on any package right here, this one is sensitive for packages and stuff like that. When they put the package on here, you get the notification to package delivery. When you pick it up, it will say package picked up. And then here's the bigger part. You touch it, it can actually show you like a live feed of what's going on out there, stuff like that. So yeah, it's pretty much straightforward, easy to use, and I like the deliver portion of it and stuff like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. On to the next one. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.